So, good evening, ma'am. My name is Hubert James P. Parangli. For the number one question, quiz number 3, from a box containing 4 black balls and 2 green balls and 3 balls drawn in a succession, each balls being replaced in the box before the next drawn is made. Find the probability distribution for the number of green balls. So, it 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 x is a random variable which represent the number of green balls and thrown in 3 attempts. So x can be assumed as a value of 0, 0, 1, and 2, and 3. So because of the replacement of the balls before the drawn, there are a black balls and 2 green balls in the box. So it means the probability of a green balls is always a 2 over 6. So 2 divided 6 equals to 1/3. Then while the probability of black balls drawn is always a 4 over 6. So 4 divided 6 equals to 2 over 2. So P of x is x over 1/3. Ito 1/3, then x minus 2 out through 2/3, then 3x minus x equals to, which is 23. 2 over 3 minus x over 27. So this is final answer for number 1. Then for the number 2 naman, 3 cards are drawn in a succession from deck without a replacement. Find the probability distribution for the number of spades. So, yun. I-let lang natin yung edge ng number of spades cards in a drawn is 3 cards. So, without replacement, so that x would be take the value as a 0, 1, 2, and 3. Then there are 30 spades cards in the deck of cards. In the deck of cards, there are 39 cards which are not spades. So, natin, which is 0, which is 13. 13 is our cards. Equals to 39, yung total cards, which is C3 over 52. Then C3 is equals to 13, which is 39 divided 52 is equals to 0.4135. Then for the next is 1 is 13 then, which is natin C1, then 39 cards, which is C2 over 52, then C3. Ganun lang. Is 0.4359. For the number 2 naman is 13 cards, C2 is equals to 39 cards, then C1. Tama ba? C1. 52, then C3 is equals to equals to 0.1376 for the number 3 naman. Then 13 cards, which is C3 equals to 39 total cards. And C0 over 52, which is C3 is equals to 38, which is 39, is 0.0129. Then yung no of cards natin, no of spades, drone ko lang. Ito ang ating probability. Probability is 0, 1, 2, 3, then 0, 10, and 4 cards, which is 0, 4, 1, 3, 5, 0.4359, and 0.1376, 0.0129. Yun lang for the final answer for number 2. Then for number 3 naman, number 3, the number 3 is from a box containing 4 10 peso coin and 2 5 peso, and 3 coins are selected at random without replacement. So determine the accumulative distribution function of random variable representing the number of 10 peso coin. For the number 3 naman, so number of 10 peso coin natin is equals to 4. Then yung number of 5 peso coin is equals to 3. Then yung total number of coin is equals to 7, which is T natin. Kasi T natin is yung random variable. This, which is 10 peso, 5 peso, then total is ito 3, 1, 2, 0, then 0, 2, 1, 3. So equals to 30 ang total natin, 30, 20, 25, and 15. So ganito lang yun siya. So parang P of 50, ano ba? 50 is equals to 30 is equals to 4. Yun ang total 10 peso coin natin. Column, which is 3 times 3 of C0 over 7 of C3. Is 3 times 7 is 4 over 35. Next naman is yung P, which is T natin. Next naman natin is yung 20, which is 4. Then 2 times 3 of C1. Ganun din naman over 7 of C3. That's 2 times C1 is 18 over 35. Ganun din naman ang ating P10 uh, 25 is 4, which is 2 times C, 3 C2 over 7 of C3. So is equals to 12 over 35. Then ganun din yung ating 10, 15 is equals to 4, which is 0. Kasi ito yung 0 yung 10 peso niya. Times 3, which is 3C over 7 of C3. Equals 0 automatically is 135 siya. And for the ET naman, E of T, yung summation of T is equals to P of T. So, yun, pag ano sila. So, 30 times 4 over 35 plus 20 of 18 over 25 plus 25 over 12 over 35 plus 1 of 15. 1 over is equals to 30. Plus 1 is 34.714. Yun lang for the number 3. So for the number 4 naman, for the number 4 question naman is, an insurance company sets that annual premium on its life insurance policy so that it makes a expected profit of 1% of the amount it would have to pay out upon death. So find the annual premium of PH 20,000 life insurance policy for an individual who will die during the year with probability of 0.02. So in death, so P of death is equals to 0.02. Then yung P of X natin, yung give is yung ating profile. So 0.02, then yung ating given na 20,000 premium, annual premium is equals to X, which is minus natin sa 1, which is 0.02 H, which is in X minus 2,000, then 0.02. So next natin equals to 2,000, then equals to 49 over 50 times 0.02 times X minus 4,000. So X equals to 1,000 minus 0.02 times equals to 6,000. Ito yung ating annual premium. Then for the number 5 naman is yung according to a study, there is a roughly an 80% share that a person of age 20 years will be alive at 65 years. So, supply that their years at age of 20, age of 20 years are selected in random. Determine the probability distribution of the number alive at age 65. Also, find the probability that the number alive at age 65 will be. So, equals lang natin. So, P of X equals to 0 is to 3, 0, which is ang ating 0.08 over 0, and 1 minus 0.8 selected equals to 3 minus 0 equals to is 1 over 125. So P of X equals to 1 equals to 3, 1, 0.08 with 1, then 1 minus 0.8, then 3 minus 1 equals to is 12, then 125. Pati sa iba ganun lang rin naman. Then 2 which is 3, and 2 which is 0.08, then 2 is 1 minus 0.08, then 3 minus 2 equals to 0.8 equals to 48 over 125. Then P of X equals to 3, which is 3, then 0.08 over 3, which is 1 minus of 0.08, then 3 minus 3 is equals to 3, is equals to 64 over 125. Then dito naman is P of X is done 1 is equals to P of X equals to 0 plus P of X equals to 1. So plus lang natin sila, which is 31 over 125. Then yung isa naman nila is P of X 1 equals to P of X to 1 plus P of X equals to plus P of X equals to 3. So plus lang natin sila, which is plus is 125 is 124 over 125. So yun lang for the number 5. This is your final answer. So for the number 6 naman, so yung 6 is identify 5 uses of Poisson distribution. So for the number 1 natin is yung insurance problem to count the number of casualties. Then for the number 2 naman is yung in biology, to count the number of bacteria. Then for the number 3 naman is yung to count the number of death at a particular causes. Then number 4 naman is to count a incoming calls in the town. To count the incoming calls in a town. For the number 5 naman is to count the number of typing error pages in a type. Yun yung ating 5 uses ng Poisson distribution. For the number 6 naman is the second leading genetics cause of mental retardation is fragile times syndromes. For that fragile appearance of the tip of the times chromosomes in a affected individual. So 1 in 1,500 makes a affected worldwide with no ethics bias. So yun, or number A naman, A is N greater than 100, then NP less than 100, then NP is equals to 10,000, which is represents to 100 siya. Then P is equals to 1 over 1,000 mils natin. 1,500 mils equals to 1 divided by 1,500 equals to 0.0067, which is equals to NP, which is yung ating 10,000, which is 0.0007, which equals to 10,000 0.0067 to 6.667. So for the B naman is P x equals to x equals to P, then E over negative 2, which is the of x. So ganun lang, P of x times 7 is equals to 1, and P, which is x, equals to 0 plus P of x equals to 1 plus so on, plus P of x equals to 6 plus P of x equals to 7. So equals to 1 is of column of P, which is E of ito 667 over 0 plus P of E 667, which is 667 over 1 plus P of E of negative 667, 10, 6, 6, 7 over 7 is equals to 1 minus 0.64 77 is equals to 1 minus 0.6477 equals 0.3523. The number C naman is P of x equals to x equals to P of E which is x. Ganun din naman yung formula. Ayan natin over x. Then P of x equals to P of 10 equals to P of plus x equals 0 plus P of x equals to 1 plus P of x equals to 9 plus P of x is equals to 10. 10 equals to P which is of E of negative 677 which is 0 plus P of E negative 67 which is 667 over 1 plus P of E which is 667 equals to 10 of 10. So yung ganun lang, plus lang natin siya which is 10. Equals to 0.9231. So yun lang yung final answer natin sa ABC from 7. Thank you.